Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start reading in a new language with ReadLang, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with reading in a new language using ReadLang, first, visit the ReadLang website. Create a free account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Library section. Here, you will see options to add texts you want to read. Select a text that interests you, or you can upload your own. After choosing a text, click on Import or choose File to upload. Once the text is uploaded, ReadLang will provide you with an interactive reading experience. As you read, click on any word you don't understand. This action will display the translation and pronunciation of the word. You can also add the word to your vocabulary list for future practice. Continue reading the text, using the translation feature whenever necessary. After finishing the text, check your vocabulary list to see your progress. You can also practice these words through spaced repetition in the vocabulary section. Consider reading various types of texts for a comprehensive learning experience. Explore stories, articles, or your favorite books in the new language. Enable the audio feature to listen while you read, enhancing your understanding. Utilize the settings to adjust the language and display options as you prefer. Stay consistent with your reading habit for the best results. Now you're ready to dive into a new language with ReadLang. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.